Kasi pag gusto ka ng tao, gusto
Alam
ka.
mo, sure ka.
You don't even have to ask. Kasi,
That's true.
diba? Kasi kung, hindi ko alam kung gusto niya ba ako. You asking that question is already the answer. So, parang, to me, I don't think mako-consider talaga siyang ghosting. Pwede namang,
Hindi naman niya kailangan mag-ghost.
Hindi naman siya nag-pursue.
Nagka-falling
So,
out.
parang nagka-falling
Ganon.
out. Yes, exactly. I wouldn't consider it ghosting. It's falling out. And it happens even with friends.
And it's not, maybe it's not ghosting. It's you knowing your worth. And you not choosing what doesn't choose you.
Yeah.
Diba? You only want...
Very good ka dun,
Ikaw ba? Are you choosing something or someone kahit na it's not choosing you? Hello, supers! Welcome to Paano Ba To? The podcast created and hosted by me, Bianca Gonzalez. Today on the pod, it's a Paano Ba To? And Chicks to Go collab and crossover episode. It's Ashley Rivera and Hershey Neri of the new hit comedy podcast, Chicks to Go. These two girls are hilarious, smart, beautiful, super saya at sarap kausap, and we dive into single life in 2025. Paano nga ba gawin yung happily choosing single life? How to get over kung nag-ghost ka in the past, or paano nga ba mang-ghost ng iba? How can you learn to love yourself at madami pang iba? Girls will super relate to this episode, and guys, take notes. Enjoy! Welcome to Paano Ba To? Hershey and Ashley of Chicks to Go!
Parang tayo housemate na Thank you. Hello to us.
Yeah.
Pangarap ko to.
Oh,
Mapunta sa Paano Ba To?
Exactly.
Uy, grabe naman. Congratulations on the pod, Chicks to Go!
Thank you so much.
Doing so well. Alam mo, I messaged Hershey. I was saying, I'm so happy na merong girl pod that's doing so well in a space na ang dami talagang guy pods. Kaya, more girls, mag-podcast na din kayo.
Girl power.
Ang saya.
And that means so much kasi Miss Bianca, like, she's OG
Coming
talaga
from you,
sa podcast
madam.
world.
Yes, oo.
Oo.
She passed the baton. Pinasa ba? Charot, hindi pala. Hindi nga pinasa.
Hindi to
Natutuwa lang siya sa atin.
Charot. As in, sobrang, I'm a fan.
Uy,
So,
grabe
thank you.
naman.
We are your
Salamat.
fans.
Wow, salamat.
Youngsters.
Biansters kami.
Or Biansters.
Biansters.
Youngsters. She's dating a Bianster.
She's dating a Bianster. Naghahanap ako ng,
Ang
anyway.
kalat natin. Sorry po.
Ay, hindi. Okay lang. Okay
Podcast
lang.
yung po pala ito. Nakakalimutan.
Welcome
tayo?
na welcome yan dito. Hindi, I wanted to tell you na nung kwento ko sa isa sa mga producers ko, si Mel, na sabi ko, oh yeah, I'm gonna have Ashley and Hershey of Chicks to Go sa Paano Ba To? Sabi na, I love them. Ganun siya. I don't understand why they're single. And I don't understand also how you
By
two can be
choice po.
single.
By choice.
This
Talented,
is by
beautiful, hilarious.
Oh my gosh, please tell me more.
So, please enumerate the entire list.
Sabi yung, and I don't understand where this single. Dahil dito, paki-enumerate.
Okay, wait. Tell me more.
Hindi nga na natapos. Sorry po. Okay, thank you.
Diba?
Pick up.
I'm sure you get that a lot. So, by choice.
By
By
choice.
choice.
By choice.
I'm happy. I'm happily single. If you're happily married, I'm happily
Yeah.
single.
Posible. Posible
Yeah,
maging
yes.
happily with someone at posible maging happily single. Ang
Yes.
saya.
Alam mo kasi napansin ko lang sa Pilipinas, pag sinabi mong single ka, parang ang pangit mo.
May nega, may nega
ganon? Parang
meaning na
Hindi ko
binibigay
siya
yung
mag-gets.
tao. I
Parang
know.
maganda maganda ka sana pero wala kang jowa.
ano
Kaya ako maganda kasi wala akong jowa.
Tama.
Kasi wala akong stress.
Oo.
Hello, bakit ganun?
Tama.
Naiinis ako.
Yeah.
Nararamdaman niyo po ba yung
Yes.
inis ko?
Hindi, dapat talaga ibahin na yung,
My
bakit wala akong
mindset.
jowa? Ganon, oo. Tama.
Oo, parang, di ba?
Hindi naman yun ang
Nagde-define.
nagde-determine or define ng worth mo eh,
Exactly.
di ba?
Yeah. Ano yung worst yung narinig na gano'n? Na parang, ganyan, kaya ka single. Or, bakit ka single? Eh, ganito naman.
May nag-comment sa isa kong TikTok. Parang,
Grabe yung hinga doon.
nag-comment siya na, a girl yuck, sorry, feel na feel. Sabi niya, a girl this pretty and smart, she must have a lot of red flags. That's why she's single.
Grabe.
Pero alam mo yung parang kinompliment ka, pero sinumpa.
Parang, so,
Ano ba to?
Ano ba dapat ko maramdaman dito sa statement na to?
Hassle yung mga gano'n, no? Parang may judgment. Hindi naman nega maging single.
Oo nga.
Exactly. Meron pa nga umirit sa akin. Meron akong sinabi dun sa podcast na bigla akong kinancel. Kasi ito yung perfect example na magjo-joke ka sa hindi mo ka-humor. So sinabi ko yung sa shooting your shot, yung DM, 'di ba? Sabi ko, hindi ko maintindihan. Yung mga walang karapatan mag-DM sa akin, yung pa yung nagdi-DM. So, yung na-take nila yun as like, so feeling mo kung sino ka maganda. Yung gano'n, na ang sa akin naman, hindi ko sinabi yun, na pwedeng wala kang karapatan mag-DM. Kasi may asawa ka. Kasi may jowa ka. Ba't ka nagdi-DM sa akin? Pwede namang yun, diba? But sa kanila, automatic, akala mo sino kang maganda. Future single mom. May mga ganong comments like, wow! Can we like relax?
And it was taken out of context kasi nag-joke lang tayo.
It was like, wow, grabe. Grabe yung fragile ego ng mga lalaki, diba? Tapos yung ganong klaseng hirit na, okay, so dinedegrade mo ba ang mga single moms?
They're
so
awesome.
parang
Ang lakas kaya
ang daming layers,
ano ba yun? Diba?
Oo.
Parang, what kind of stupid insult is that?
Yeah.
Basta anyway, nakaka-frustrate lang. Like how men, and actually anyone, thinks that way.
Yeah.
Because that's such trash mentality.
Yeah. Yeah.
Kasi, yun nga, even if there are people who are in a relationship, doesn't mean they're happy. They could still be miserable. Yes, you're with someone, but you're not okay. So ako, I'd rather be single, but I am loving it because I am loving myself. Why should I, 'di ba, parang ilalove ko yung someone na hindi naman deserve din or hindi rin naman ako minamahal ng tama. Wag na. Bigay ko na lang sa sarili ko yun kasi deserve ko yun.
Amen.
I love it.
See, kaya I love na yan yung mga topics na pinag-uusapan nyo in your pod, Chicks to Go. Kasi ang daming until now na nagsusulat sa paano ba to na I'm 20-something, I'm 30-something, I have no boyfriend, or I'm NBSB. Tas parang as if it's a negative thing. When in fact, pwede siyang i-turn into a super positive thing.
Exactly.
Alam mo, kasi sinashare ko lagi sa podcast, ako yung girl na never nababakante. Lagi akong may boyfriend and puro long term. So ngayon lang ako na 1 year na akong single. Kaya kami naging best friends ni Ash kasi sabay kaming naging single together. And it's so fun. It's such a fun season. And then yung akala mo, kilala mo na sarili mo. And then wait lang. There's so much more.
Yes.
Tapos ito nga yung, I always tell Ash na wala pala akong self-concept. Like parang when people ask me what I want, nahihirapan ako. And this is the perfect season to explore that. What do I really want?
Yes.
Do I really, really want? What do you really, really want? Ayun. Kasi, parang ayun nga.
Hindi pa rin
tapos.
Like having a boyfriend your whole life, yung buong identity ko is, ako yung girlfriend na ganito. I want to support
Tapos magta-transform ka pa kung medyo sporty yung jowa mo, medyo
Exactly.
sporty ka din. Kung medyo like mas party boy, super heels ka naman.
Nagiging chameleon ako.
Ganyan din ako.
Tapos sabi ko, wait lang, sino ba ako on my own? On my own.
Gusto ko laging may kanta pagkatapos.
Ituloy mo yan. Sige nga.
Hirap nun. Wrong choice of song.
Okay.
So, iyon na this, yung mga single na nanonood ngayon, this is a beautiful season. Wag niyong isipin na, single ako, it's so much heartbreak, so much loss. It's actually a season of abundance. Na there's so many possibilities. Na okay, a chapter ended and that only means a new one is beginning. Kasi di ba parang may quote nga na kapag hindi mo alam mangyayari sa future mo, if it's not written yet, it means na anything is possible. Wala pang tuldok yan eh. So you don't know what's going to happen tomorrow.
Exactly.
Tama.
The sun will come
Ang
out.
dami na namin sinabi.
I know, no. Di ba kanina before we recorded, I also made kwento the season of my life that I was single. Tapos may nahanap din akong soul sister who was also newly single. Iba, masaya. Tapos yung self-concept na sinasabi mo, alam mo mag-evolve pa yan through your 30s, late 30s, through your 40s. nakaka-excite.
And it's so much fun.
Super.
Self-discovery, it's so much fun. Like, if you really put some effort then, kasi hindi siya madali eh. Some people, they can't do it, na parang it's kind of hard kasi na to sit in discomfort na parang medyo uncomfortable siya eh.
Yeah.
Isipin, di ba? Parang, okay, isa-isayin natin, girl. Ano ba yung mga old habits natin na kailangan natin ayusin? Okay. Ano yung mga dapat natin gawin?
Or yung mga
ganyan.
maling nagawa na di na dapat ulitin.
Parang kailangan maging aware ka rin para at least you'll make better decisions next time.
Yeah.
And then, you'll learn to love yourself. Kasi when you hate yourself,
Ang hirap.
ang hirap. You're gonna hate everyone. Kasi nga, you're filled with hate eh.
Yeah.
Yun yung makikita mo sa lahat.
Oo, mama-magnify lahat ng kapangitan sa mundo kasi ikaw mismo, hindi ka natutuwa sa sarili mo. And there was a time na I hated myself. So, I was just so negative. And then now na okay na ako, ang saya, ang sarap ng yung
Ang light
peace.
lang.
Oo, yung ang saya mo lang. Ang saya
Super.
mo lang. Wow, like I'm my own best friend. Like, girl, anong gagawin natin today?
Gusto ko
We're
yun.
gonna have
I'm
so
my
much
own best
fun.
friend.
I
Totoo.
love me. Like,
Yeah.
diba?
Tama.
And parang before, I used to be so uncomfortable with being alone.
Yeah.
Pero ngayon, ang saya pala kumain mag-isa.
Ay, super. Magsine na mag-isa na. Try mo na.
It's liberating.
I watch a theater play mag-isa, but
Ay,
not
ang
yet
saya.
a movie. I want to try
Masaya
a
siya.
movie mag-isa.
Masaya siya. Even like traveling solo.
Yes!
Ang
Oh my
laking
gosh,
bagay
favorite.
nun.
Yeah.
Sobrang saya nun.
Super.
Like my favorite when traveling is when you ride a public transportation. Like let's say yung mga trains, sobrang trip na trip yung mga trains sa ibang bansa,
same.
'di ba? Tas it's like a cool game for me. Like, oh, okay. Ano yung
Aling
train
stop,
station, yung
yes.
hanggang saan ako ganyan. So, bahala na. And then you enjoy the journey. You don't know how you'll get there. Or kung kunwari hindi train, taxi, 'di ba? You put your trust dun sa driver and he'll take you there. Just like yung sa life, sometimes we overanalyze, oh my gosh, I don't know paano ako makakarating doon. Pero parang sa ganung concept with traveling, wala.
Yeah.
You just trust the process and you'll
Yeah.
get there. Enjoy the scenery.
Yes.
Makikita mo parang, wow, ang ganda ng mundo. Like, oh my God, this is so fun.
Ang saya.
Ang
Totoo.
ganda kasi literal and figurative na enjoying the journey on your own.
Oo.
Yung taking transport by yourself.
Oh,
diba?
tsaka diba, yung parang hindi, but you also have to be in the moment and you savor every single thing.
Yes.
Instead of being so distracted na, okay, nakaupo ka nga sa taxi, pero ando ka naman sa phone mo, scroll ka ng
Yes,
scroll.
hindi.
Defeats the purpose, diba?
Super.
So you have to be present.
So side kwento, before I got married, I loved traveling alone. At ang favorite thing ko naman about traveling alone, masarap to travel with friends, masarap to travel with a jowa, pero pag alone ka kasi, ang dami mong napapansin na hindi mo mapapansin if may kasama ka.
Exactly.
The littlest things
Exactly.
about nature, the world, whatever place, even about yourself, di ba, how you
Yeah.
react to things. So,
Mindful ka.
I got married 10 years ago. I haven't gotten to do that. Kasi syempre, I have
Iba na
kids,
eh, yeah.
iba na. For my 40th birthday, 2 years ago, my husband gifted me with a solo trip.
Oh, saan ka pumunta?
That's so nice.
I actually told him,
That's
he
so
was asking me, how do you
nice.
want to spend your 40th birthday? Sabi ko, I want to travel alone again. And he said, where do you want to go? I said, Bhutan. It's a dream destination. Yeah.
I'm
Korea.
so happy
And then he said,
for
you know what? I'm
you.
gonna gift you that. And I was like, oh my God.
We love a supportive
I
king.
know. So, siya ang nag-father duties, nag-parent duties, and I spent, mga 6 days in
Ay,
Bhutan.
wow.
Ang
The
saya
best.
nun.
It was so much. It was so amazing.
Grabe. Bakit yun yung yung dream destination?
Ano siya? Para siyang travel back in time ka ng 150 years. Ganon yung vibe niya. And then it was all nature, all hiking, all temples. Oh, ang saya.
Very zen. You know,
As an introvert,
Oo,
perfect
ang-
place siya
I
talaga.
love that for you, grabe. Ang saya ng gano'n, no, na kasi may mga ibang guys na pag sinabi mong solo trip, bakit? Anong ganito, ganyan, parang praning ka na kagad, diba? But umabot kayo dun sa,
yes.
hindi kailangan kasi andun yung full trust na
Super
you just want
supportive.
to have a solo trip.
In fact, yung
10th wedding anniv gift niya sa akin, solo trip na naman. Sabi ko,
cute.
do you wanna get rid of me? Hindi bigyan ako ng solo trip. Sabi niya, hindi, alam ko yan yung nagpapasaya sa'yo. Okay.
That's so nice.
It's so cute kasi before we recorded this, we were asking you like, paano mo nalaman na JC was the one? And you said na he loves me in the ways I want to be loved. Na hindi mo alam, ganun pala yung love na gusto mo. And even with a little thing like that, na birthday mo, and he knew na giving you that is what you wanted.
Yeah.
So yes, tip lang, if your jowa likes travel, that's a good gift.
Grab. Oh my gosh. Gusto ko na bukas.
Magbubok agad.
Magbubok na ako.
Okay, wait lang. Dahil for February, sa lahat ng mga episodes this month, nagbabasa kami ng mga letters ng kwentong love from our community. And syempre, ang gusto kong i-share sa inyo ay ang kwentong single ni Miss Ghosted with Feelings.
Aray. Nako, parang
Yes.
alam ko na kagad.
So,
ano nangyayari.
I'm gonna read her letter and I would love to know your thoughts on it. Sabi niya, Hello, Miss Bianca. I've been single for 25 years now and NBSB still. Dati, ang dahilan ko lang ay dahil strict ng parents ko. Tapos, naging dahil busy sa ACADS. And eventually, I developed difficulty trusting someone. Feeling ko kasi lahat ng love stories ko walang happy ending. It all started with falling in love with my high school best
Oh
friend
my God.
who said he also liked me but ended up dating my close friend.
The betrayal.
After came my totga na naging MU ko but was honest enough to tell me before grad na he has not moved on yet from his first love.
Nako, isa-
Oh my God.
Ang sakit naman.
Prior to graduation day, he asked me to be his partner during the ball. I had my first dance with him pero right after grad, hindi na siya nagparamdam.
Oh my God.
He ghosted me. It took me 4 years to totally move on from that heartbreak. During college, I met someone who helped me regain my hope to love again. My feelings developed gradually habang mas nakilala namin ang isa't isa. We shared the same interest in music and books. Naging safe space ko rin siya with all my rants and plans in life. Kaso at some point, I felt na nagiging distant na siya.
Oh no.
Hindi ko na rin pinilit pa yung alam kong malabong mangyari. It's giving, I've seen this film before and I didn't like the ending vibe. Our close friends would give me clues na may gusto siya sa akin and my gut also tells me the same. Pero it will remain untrue unless aminin niya, di ba? Sa tagal ko ding naghintay ng first move niya, I finally decided to conclude my feelings. I always believed din naman na if someone truly loves you, sasabihin niya yon while taking all the risks to win you.
Yeah.
With that, plano ko siyang i-ghost para mas madaling maka-move forward. But I know how it feels to be left hanging around. Paano ba tuldukan ng isang bagay na hindi nagpapaalam?
Ako, yung stand ko dyan is communicate. Diba? Like, mag-usap kayo and ako kasi attracted ako sa guy na ipupursue ka eh. Like parang if a guy isn't sure about you, baka hindi siya yung future husband mo. You'd
Feeling ko
want-
that's what she
Oo.
feels. That the guy is
Oo.
unsure kaya hindi umaamin. So for her, she wants nga to ghost him na or to step back. So yun, paano ba tuldukan ang isang bagay na hindi nagpapaalam?
Gusto niya mang-ghost. Okay.
Pero she knows how terrible it feels.
Oo.
But feeling niya, that's the easiest way to move on.
Medyo tricky tong tong situation na to. I get where she's coming from kasi syempre from yung mga past na experiences niya kaya natatakot na siya. And would it be considered ghosting though? Kung wala naman kayong anything, hindi naman siguro ghosting 'yon. Parang friends lang na bigla na lang di na masyadong nag-uusap.
So may levels
Parang-
before you can consider yourself ghosted.
Oo.
Kailangan
I feel
dating,
like,
ganon? Or kailangan may label?
In a way, kasi parang ang hirap din kung literal na walang anything. So, hindi nga na-establish or na-establish ba? Siguro, ang hirap.
Diba there was a term na parang, kasi technically this is like, is it ghosting kung ligaw stage pa lang or nililigawan? Parang isn't there a term na nagpakita ng
Interest.
kabutihan tapos biglang nawala? Is that ghosting also?
Feeling ko, siya, pwedeng matawag na ghosting kung nag-trauma dump na kayo sa isa't isa. Yung ni-reveal niya na yung vulnerability niya sa isa't isa. So, hindi naman
Parang
technically,
meron.
hindi naman technically na dating kayo or, exclusively dating tayo. Pero kung nagkaroon kayo ng deep talks, nagkaroon kayo ng, this is a part of me I won't show anybody else. Ikaw lang may access to it. Ghosting siya. Pero hindi siya ghosting kung like, you just went on like 1-2 dates, wala namang anything significant.
Interesting.
I'm a little conflict. Kasi pwede rin naman na makipag-usap, like you said, communicate, 'di ba? Communicate kung ano ba to. But ako rin naman kasi if you have to ask that question, if you're confused from the very beginning, para saan pa? 'Di ba? Parang kasi pag gusto ka ng tao, gusto ka.
Alam mo, sure ka na.
You don't even have to ask kasi
That's true.
'di ba? Kasi kung hindi ko alam kung gusto niya ba ako, you asking that question is already the answer. So parang to me, I don't think mako-consider talaga siyang ghosting. Pwede namang
Hindi naman niya kailangan mag-ghost.
hindi naman siya nag-pursue.
Nagka-falling
So
out,
parang nagka-falling
ganon.
out. Yes, exactly. I wouldn't consider it ghosting. It's falling out. And it happens even with friends.
And it's not, maybe it's not ghosting, it's you knowing your worth. And you not choosing what doesn't choose you.
Yeah.
Diba? You only want...
Uy, very good ka dun, ha? Sinabi ko, stop choosing
on-
what's not choosing you
only
or who's not choosing
only
you.
choose who's choosing you. Na
Exactly.
parang, bakit mo ipipilit sarili mo sa hindi naman certain sa'yo?
Yeah. So, ang dami, the world is abundant. Ang dami-dami dyan. Ba't ka mag-aano sa settle for someone na pareho kayong hindi sure.
Totoo.
Wag na.
Pero based on your experience, when do you know if parang ilalaban mo pa to or, ay, hindi, wag na. Kasi feeling ko that's where she also is eh.
Siguro nandun ako sa part na, bakit mo siya ilalaban?
Hindi ka nga
Hindi ka nga pinaglalaban eh.
Oo.
Oo, na hindi ba gusto mo yung someone who would be honest with you, someone who would step up, someone na parang, okay, pag ginost mo, someone who would pursue you, chase you. Diba?
Umabot, oo. Ako umabot na ako sa isang time. There was this guy na yung situation namin medyo weird kasi he was in a relationship, I was in a relationship, but we were friends. So lahat ng baho niya, alam ko. Lahat ng baho ko, alam din niya. So by the time na naging single kami pareho, parang medyo
Naging close,
pwede,
yeah.
ganyan, di ba?
You considered it,
Nag-develop.
yeah.
But the thing is, dahil alam ko yung mga ginawa niya, andun ako sa parang, oh my gosh,
Takot
gagawin mo sa akin to. So bago mo siya gawin, ako na mauna. So parang in a way ganun. But sobrang nag-backfire sa akin yun. Kasi, as in, ang lala. He didn't deserve that. I was a bad person, basically. And sobrang nag-regret ako dun sa ginawa ko. But, I see it as a lesson. Like, at least now I know, di ba?
Yeah.
And then umabot ako sa talagang super haba, paragraphs, kadire. Wag na wag yung gagawin yun.
Hinabol mo siya.
I do not recommend that. Ang
Wait, you
pangit.
sent, was
Na
it sa
parang-
text?
Oo, na parang ang
text na
dami. Gusto kadiri
yeah,
talaga. Kasi
yeah.
imagine mo, papakita niya sa tao. Yun, parang yuck, tignan mo ganito siya
I know.
So you
Wag na
begged.
wag mong gagawin yun.
You begged.
Oo.
So to anyone na may nakasave sa drafts na
don't
mahaba,
send it.
please.
Wag mo nang
Do not
isend
Or
send
nakasave
yun.
sa notes app, please.
Alam nyo, yung lahat ng gusto yung sabihin, isulat nyo, tapos sunugin mo pagkatapos. Kasi nakakahiya, wala kang self-respect. Kadire, you think makakatulong yung mahabang
Oh my
paragraph na
gosh,
yon?
yeah.
Hindi, mas
Oo.
mukha kang tanga.
Yeah, totoo.
As in, parang mas nakakadire. Mas lalong magiging, okay, that's a no.
Yes, exactly.
That's a red flag. Goodbye. So, yeah. So, ano yung point ko doon? Wala lang, na-share ko lang. Nag-trauma dump lang ako. Wag mo nang ituloy. Kung hindi ka sure, wag mo nang ituloy.
Totoo. Oh, ang hirap. Oo.
Ang
I guess
hirap, ang
you're in
hirap.
the clear to just let it fizzle out. And then, if ever naman umamin yung guy, edi, bongga. Bongga siya,
Oo,
girl.
bongga.
At saka yun nga, the world is so abundant. Girl, single ka. Let yourself out there and let people be the one to come to you. Parang it will come. Hindi mo kailangan ipaglaban ang hindi naman para sa'yo. Yung parang we were saying, there's a quote online that says, nothing that is meant for you will require a tight grip.
Exactly.
Diba?
Yeah.
So let go.
Yeah. Uy, maka-advise. Madali ba yung gawin for you? Hindi, minsan, di ba? May mga
Madaling
quotes.
sabihin.
Yes, ako ganyan din ako madalas. Yung parang pa-quote-quote, pero deep inside, ang hirap pala niya
Hirap
gawin.
niya.
Oo.
Hirap. Lalo na pag syempre may emotions na involved na or
Yes.
attached ka na.
Oh my God. And especially since yung mga ganyang stage, yan yung nakikita mo yung potential. Na, uy, hindi pwedeng ito yung
Dine-daydream mo na.
mangyari.
Oo.
May imagined future ka na. No.
Fantasy na yun eh.
Yung imagined future, don't hold on to that. Look at what's happening now. Is he pursuing you? Is he communicating with you?
Tama.
Tama. Kasi it's so easy to fall in love with fantasy, with potential.
Yeah. That's such a good point, kasi iba yung ini-imagine mo na future versus kung ano yung
talagang
nandyan sa harap
nangyayari.
mo ngayon.
At nakaka-inlove mag-imagine na kasi ito yung perfect situation, perfect guy, perfect scenario.
Or minsan parang once lang pinakita nung guy pero in your head parang
Na
ang dami
magnify.
na. Oo,
Ang dami na nangyari.
Lumaki. Oo.
May tendency kasi tayong ganyan eh. Lalo pag type natin.
Yes.
Grabe. Ang layo na narating ng imagination mo. Or yung siguro, may naging mabait lang, pero akala mo nilalandi ka na, hindi pala. Imagination mo lang yun. Medyo mahirap yung
din
ganon.
nun.
Ang hirap
din
nun.
Oo.
So, kailangan, chill ka lang. Chill ka lang sa mga bagay-bagay. And be secure with yourself and kung ano talaga yung non-negotiables mo. Diba? Or don't date because of potential. Kasi, pwede na to, or siguro okay to, ganyan. Or ginagawan mo ng excuse, hindi naman kasi talaga.
Yes.
Or may mga ganyan tayo, aminin natin, pag may
Yes.
dinedate tayo, syempre hindi natin lalaglag yung baho nila, di ba?
Yes.
Ipapraise mo siya. Kahit nakikita mo na yung mga red flag.
Correct.
Pero dahil
cute siya.
sige,
Favorite color ko ang red.
Pwede. Favorite
Ayan,
color mo ang red eh.
Oo.
Di ba? Parang, sige. I'll let it slip muna. Pero hindi pala. Talagang tutuloy-tuloy yung mga red flags na yan.
Actually, sinabi din yun ni Marvin. I know they guested in the pod ninyo ni Jolina. Sabi niya na parang, kapag kunyari may kwento ka, tas nahiya kang ikwento sa friends mo, alam mo na alam mo nang may mali
Ang ganda nun.
Oo eh. Kasi alam mong,
tell na yon, sign na yon.
yeah,
Oo
kasi
nga.
alam mong i-judge na ng kaibigan. Or yung parang, ikakwento mo pa lang, tas naririnig mo yung sarili mong kwento na parang, shucks, parang ang pangit nito. Hindi nakaka-elevate yung nangyayari.
Totoo.
Diba? Parang,
Ang ganda nun, i-elevate mo yung sarili mo.
Like, stop putting other people on a pedestal. Put yourself on a pedestal din. Na parang, bakit sa tingin mo sila yung hinahabol? But you're also worthy of that. Diba?
Yes.
And, so, you were saying something kanina, yung kinikwento sa friends.
yung hindi mo sasabihin yung totoo.
Oo.
I-water down mo yung
Para
nangyayari.
para hindi siya bad shot sa
Para,
friends
oo,
mo.
kasi syempre pag bad shot na, ang mga friends, yan pa nga yung mas galit.
Yes.
Ako, prime example now. Na
So parang with that, also, the way you treat your friends, treat yourself like a friend too. Kung naririnig mo yung friend mo na, wait, bakit ka magsasettle sa ganyan? Hindi mo deserve yan. Dapat yun din yung trato mo sa sarili mo.
practice what you preach.
Yeah.
Dapat ikaw yung sarili mong best friend eh. So kung yung best friend mo, hindi ko hahayaan na si Ashley pagdaanan yun, hindi ko din pahahayaan na mangyari sa akin yun.
True. Ganda. So, si Miss Ghosted with Feelings, ayan na po, ang panel of advisors.
Tigil mo yan.
Nagsalita.
In short,
At
tigil
saka,
mo yan.
based on her timeline, ang bata pa niya, ang dami pa niya mamimit in life.
Oo.
So, what's the best, I guess, to end this episode sa lahat ng mga single na nanonood at nakikinig, what is the best way to start meeting people? Meeting lang naman. Hindi naman yung land sa love agad. Meeting lang.
not the right person to
Really?
ask. Charot. Ikaw muna. Since na-enjoy mo ang dating scene ngayon.
Hindi, kasi yun nga, for context, lagi akong long-term relationship. Like, first boyfriend ko, 3 years. Second, 3 years. Third, 6 years. Ganyan. O, diba? Since 13, may boyfriend na ako.
Kaloka.
Nagsimula.
Aga.
Oo.
So,
Jowa.
so ngayon lang ako yung nag-e-enjoy dating. Kasi when you're dating, nakikilala mo pala sarili mo. Like, I go on hangouts. Tapos parang may ginawa yung guy na parang napareflect ako, ayoko pala pag ginawa niya yun. Or may ginawa yung kadate mo, ay, gusto ko pala yung ganon. Na hindi mo malalaman unless you meet people. And then yung dating, hindi naman siya end goal lagi na boyfriend or asawa. Yung iba ko na date, naging friends ko. Or yung network mo, lumawak. So, just be chill. Just have fun. Huwag kayong may end goal na, oy, dapat boyfriend ko na to.
Oo.
Just
Or
have
dapat
fun.
potential asawa na to.
And
Hirap ng ganun.
yung what changed my mindset is dati kasi nung I started dating parang sana magustuhan ako ng guy na to, sana ganito mag-fit ako sa mundo niya. No, don't make yourself small to fit in someone else's world. Remember, you are precious. You are a gem. So when you go on a date, instead of thinking sana magustuhan niya ako, think magugustuhan ko kaya siya?
Yan.
Ganun
Ganda.
dapat. Yun yung tama.
Oo. And when you give yourself that power, na hindi ikaw yung mag-determine, will I like this person? Mas magiging masaya yung date kasi walang expectation.
True. Such a good tip.
Ang ganda.
And-
Ang ganda nung... Okay, go.
And yung sinabi mo rin sa akin na parang don't give yourself away, na parang you're a prized, parang you're a special person. So yung access lang yung what they get to know you. Huwag kang maging vulnerable agad sa first few dates. Yung mga ganun sa closest people in your life lang. O kasi parang, this is me, my
Binigay mo na lahat
life. Oo. Hindi, dating is for getting to know. Slow. So wag mong madaliin.
Ang sinabi ko sa kanyang analogy, kasi I like analogies, parang club. Think of yourself na club ka. Na yung gustong puntahan ng tao, parang wow, ang saya doon, pang mga VIP. So dapat may sarili kang VIP, 'di ba? Hindi yung lahat
Anyone.
papasok. Edi parang nawala yung exclusivity ng club. Kasi kahit sino pala pwede. Dapat may ganun ka na, okay, ito lang yung, mga friends, ganyan, acquaintances. Tapos meron ka mga special na deserve yung VIP treatment. Parang ganun, di ba? So, but sa dating naman, ako, honestly, I'm not looking. So, hindi siya part ng gusto kong gawin. Parang, I don't have time for that right now. And it's not because, kailangan pag nag-date ako, ito na to. Hindi yun eh. Maybe I am selfish because I enjoy my time with myself. Na pag iniisip ko, okay, may dinate ako. Paano pag nag-click kami? Pucha, wala na. Jowa na naman ako. Tapos, sobrang
self-awareness, di ba?
Yung,
I like it.
yung sobrang, di ba, jowa na ako. Wala na yung single Ashley. Ang saya ng single Ashley. Ang saya ng version na to. Nai-enjoy ko to. Tapos, pag kunwari, nag-click kami, di ba, jowa, ano pa bang next, di ba? Mukha bang nasa mood pa ako mag-casual. Tapos magiging asawa na. Wala na, married na. Tapos magkaka-baby na kami. Nanay na ako. Which excited din ako dun sa part na
Kasi you
yun.
want to be a mom.
Because I do want that. That's also my dream. But right now, if you're asking me, I'm still happy being single. And I like it this way. Kasi nga, if yung mga tao, they're ready to like date other guys, by all means, go. Have fun. Ako, I'm happy dating myself. I like going on dates with myself. I like going out na, as in, magde-dinner ako, kain ako kung saan, di ba? If I wanna travel, shit, I can do that because hindi ko kailangan mag-report or hindi ko kailangan i-consider yung isang tao na, wag ka magalit kasi pupunta muna akong ganito, ganyan. It's such a fun time for me. And I like na I get to do what I want for myself, di ba? And then actually, alam mo ba, from a live-in situation, di ba, 3 years, I'm really not the type na mag-live-in because I love my space way too much. Parang establish ko na yun na very independent ako. Mabubuhay ako mag-isa, okay lang. But for me to compromise and be okay with that setup, parang ako mismo nagulat ako, ay kaya ko pala. Okay, ganito pala to. At least experience ko na siya. And then when I moved out and nasa condo living na ako, big girl na wow, this was my dream before. And now I get to enjoy this reality. It's so much fun na wow, ang saya. Like, every day is just so exciting. Ang dami kong pwedeng gawin. Like, yung mga hobbies ko. Like, now, I learned how to play tennis. Tapos, I got into running. Yung mga like, little things like that. Tapos, yung mga mahilig ako magluto. Yung mga home-cooked meals ko, parang na-excite. Nang kakainin ko today. Ito kakainin ko. Ganyan. Yung parang kilig ako sa sarili kong, bestie time.
Tapos, and it's a great place to be in.
Tapos yung, alam mo yun, yung mag-Netflix ka, pakababoy ka doon, di ba? Tulog ka. Saya. Tapos, work. Yung parang, I've never had so much fun being single. Siguro kasi, ngayon lang din yung time na in-embrace ko yung pagiging single, and I take it in a very positive note kasi iba pag single, single ako, na-insecure ako, hindi pa ako maganda, hindi pa ako kamahal-mahal,
barkada ko may jowa na or ikakasal na.
I mean, obviously there are moments na I feel that way kasi we have a biological clock. Syempre, di ba, parang I wanna have kids, nakakapraning. May times may ganyan na yung wave of sadness, parang shucks, aabot pa ba ako? Or meron pa bang lalaki para sa akin?
Buisit yung biological na clock na yan.
Diba? Tapos, diba? Tapos yung like, it's anyway, that's a different topic. But for now, ang sa akin lang, let go, let God, trust the process, enjoy the ride, diba? So, kasi for me, I feel like, pag sobrang saya ko, it will show mag-radiate siya. And people will find it attractive. And I don't even have to look for it. Kasi ako mismo, parang
happy
happy ako. So by the time na someone meets me ng ganito, na I'm filled with love, na malalove ko rin siya ng tama, 'di ba? Or parang positive mindset na ako eh. So for sure, when I get into a relationship, mas magiging positive siya kasi buo na ako eh. I did the work, 'di ba? Na at least may mga gusto ako sa partner, but I have to be that kind of partner first. So, unahin ko muna yung sarili ko. Tapos pag okay na ako, I think by that time, 'di ba? I don't know paano, saan. Baka malay mo, nasa beach ako, nasa trip ako somewhere, na-meet ko siya doon, nang hindi ko hinahanap. Kasi dadating siya.
Darating
siya.
Diba?
So well said.
May quote nga din na
ang daming baong quotes ni Hershey today, Fairness,
Hindi.
Dapat may book na to.
Mahilig kasi ako scroll. Parang, I just met this version of myself. Let me sit down and enjoy her. Huwag ka magmadali.
Chill ka lang.
I think ang daming dati sad ang framing ng pagka-single nila na sobrang medyo nag-iiba na yun ngayon dahil sa mga exciting and happy kwento ninyo about single life. Ang saya.
It's just a matter of like...
It's so important to hear encouraging words like this, that single is also empowering.
It's super. Because it is. It really is. It's liberating. It's nice. It's such a wonderful feeling. And people just need to shift lang. Yung perspective lang. Like, parang stop thinking that being single is bad. It's not. It's really not.
It's fun.
Kaya nga sinasabi ko, single ka, single by choice. Because it is my choice. It's not like, I'm unattractive or parang sobrang dami mo sigurong red flags kaya wala kang boyfriend. Actually, wrong. Lahat tayo may red flags, okay?
Totoo.
But ako, choice ko to kasi selfish ako. Masaya akong mag-isa. So, I'm alright.
I think the moment in-accept nila yon about them and na okay lang to be selfish because you enjoy being single, then mas happy. may iba pa nagsasabi, di ba, na parang, siguro taas ng standards mo, kaya ka single.
Dapat
Daming
lang.
ganon. Exactly.
I have
Exactly.
standards and thank
you.
God I have
Yes.
standards.
See, ayan, this is the validation.
Thank you. But
If iniisip mo
that's
yun.
not an insult, by the way. If
Exactly.
sinabi sa'yo ng tao na siguro single ka kasi taas ng standards mo, well, yes, correct, tama. So, dapat.
And in reality, ang dami kong mga friends in relationships and they're miserable.
Yeah.
Kasi they're in relationships na hindi sila valued, hindi sila accepted, and they stay because, well, ang tagal na nila, yada, yada, yada.
Yes.
Parang they think that they have to stay. So ako, thank God I'm not in that position. Na parang, wait, okay lang yan. Hindi mo kailangan itali sarili mo when you're unhappy.
Can I just, may i-add lang din ako. Alam ko, I know how it feels na kasi. Being in a relationship and slowly losing myself, it wasn't fun. I was starting to hate that version. And I didn't like myself. Kasi parang, umabot ako sa point na, bakit ba ganito ako? Like, I'm so snappy. Like, everything's pissing me off. I'm filled with resentment na hindi na siya nakakatuwa. Kasi parang, yung sakal na ako, like, shit, ayoko na. Like, this is not the life that I want. Ayoko na. And I know for some, it's hard to let go or to walk away. But, kaya mo.
Yes.
It's always a choice. It's your choice if you want to be miserable. Or it's also a choice if you're gonna be like firm and like, I'm done. I'm done with this bullshit. I don't want to do this anymore. You deserve better. I deserve better.
Yes.
Goodbye.
Yes.
And ako, I just wanted to share, I came from a 6-year relationship and it's a beautiful relationship. As in, it just so happened na hindi kami nag-work out. May isang poem na, I'm sure you're familiar with Icarus. So yun yung parang sa Greek mythology, yung lalaki na gumawa ng pakpak para lumipad. And the quote, and the poem said, "Some people forget that Icarus also flew." So, when a relationship ends, bakit tayo nakafocus sa, nag-end siya, wala na? When it also flew. Lumapit siya sa sun. Ang ganda-ganda ng relationship. But love stories, hindi naman siya forever lagi. It's okay, the chapter ended. And I remember I was 27 years old. So, I met him when I was 21 until 27. Beautiful relationship. And alam kong patungo na siya sa huli. And ang hirap pala mag-end ng relationship kapag walang cheating, kapag walang masamang nangyari. Alam mo lang mag-end na siya. Sabi ko, my whole life, alam ko siya yung papakasalan ko. Alam ko siya yung ending. Tapos, dito na yung decision. Do I jump in the water? Ito na eh. Do I jump? Nakakatakot kasi what's the next step? Ano na yung future ko? As I was so scared, iyak ako ng iyak. But we ended things. And akala ko parang, wow, parang, ano na yung next part? Tapos,
Punta na tayo sa exciting part.
Tapos, yun na nga eh. Yun nga, diba, na parang pag hindi mo alam yung future, exciting din pala na, we have this podcast going on. Nag-grow siya sa career niya, nag-grow ako sa career ko, na sometimes, parang kailangan lang natin mag-let go din para sa sarili natin. And it's going to be an exciting season. Yes, nakakatakot siya, malungkot siya, but there's so much love, there's so much abundance, there's so much growth.
Yeah.
So it's going to be an exciting season.
You lose some and then you win some.
Yes.
And you lost a lover but you gained a
the
friend.
best friend. O, diba?
Yun ang panalo talaga.
Oo. Parang gift talaga ni Lord na, pareho kayong single, pareho kayong siraulo, ito magsama kayo.
Yes.
Go through this season together.
Grabe. I am so happy hearing you girls say that and have this platform in your podcast to share this. Kasi ito talaga yung mga things na, oh my gosh, 20-year-old broken-hearted me would have benefited so much kung ito yung napakinggan ko. Kaya, thank you. And I assure you, lahat ng mga heartbreak na yan, actually baka na-feel nyo na ngayon, but maybe 5-10 years from now, you're gonna say, kaya pala hindi nag-work out.
Yun na nga,
You
excited
know
na ako
exactly
doon.
why. And you should be excited.
I am
Na-inspire ako sa story nila ni JC.
Ay,
Ako
grabe
rin,
naman.
super. Kaya nga
Salamat.
super tanong ako, paano nangyari ganito, ganyan. Don't don't worry, girl. Magkakaroon tayo ng
day.
success story.
Yan. Oh, thank you so
Thank you
much,
so
Ashley
much.
and Hershey Chicks to
Thank
go.
you so much.
Maraming salamat.
Thank you so much.
Grabe. Thank you for fulfilling our dream.
Uy, grabe
Kasi
naman.
as
Dream
in,
come true.
listener ako ng Paano Ba To.
Thank you. Thank you.
Ang ayos, minsan lang kami maging maayos. Thank you, naging maayos kami para lang dito sa...
Kasi po yung episode namin sa Chicks to Go, hindi ganito.
Hindi po kami, dog show po kami. Ngayon lang kami naging matino na filled with, diba, wisdom.
Malalim din pala sila, no?
Super. Ang saya. Very, very wise.
Aw, thank you. Wow,
Thank
that's such
you.
a huge compliment.
Yeah, and Bianca, thank you for this platform kasi this is also something na I wish yung little girl in me also had growing up.
Oo nga,
And now you have this and a lot of young girls listening to this na parang kang big sister
You
they
are.
never had.
Oo nga.
So, thank you. I'm officially your ate. So, message me anytime.
Yun nga, actually, habang nagkukwento, parang very ate na
Yes,
lang
yun ang role ko,
lang.
which is ironic kasi in real life, bunso ako. So, I think kaya enjoy ko maging ate like at work or like with girls like you that I meet.
Bunso energy.
So, ate. Ako ate, di ba?
Oo.
Ate mo kaming dalawa.
Oo.
Respetuhin mo kami.
Hugas ka na. Kunan mo nga ako ng malamig na tubig sa ref.
Kunin mo nga yung chat.
Ate vibe na. Thank you!
Thank you. We had so much fun. Thank you.
Paano Ba To? The podcast is created and hosted by me, Bianca Gonzalez, with podcast producer Anika Neri and edited by Paulo Halili. To be part of our community of supers, you can follow at Paano Ba To on Instagram, join our private Facebook group, the Paano Ba To Super Group, and follow us on TikTok at Ask Paano Ba To. Till our next episode, stay super, supers!